Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Dried fruits, raisins, sultanas and currants are particularly enjoyed by blackbirds, song thrushes and robins. Biscuits and cake, stale cake and broken pieces of biscuits from the bottom of the tin are high in fat and ideal for birds in the winter.
Let's help you make your mark.
Vegetables. Birds eat a lot of seed and plant material, and scrapped vegetables can be a welcome feeder treat. Other fruits, such as old berries, raisins, grapes, bananas, oranges, grapefruits and the seeds of watermelons, honeydew melons, pumpkins, and cantaloupes can also be offered to birds.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Birds, in theory, can eat bananas peels, but bananas peels contain cellulose. Cellulose cannot be digested by birds. Also, banana peels can be dangerous to birds because the peels will likely be coated with a layer of pesticides. A good diet for birds will consist of more than just seeds.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.